have come to the very last performer of tonight. To round out the evening, we're going to invite Denise Gonzales from Royal High School up on stage, who will be performing the classic Don't Rain on My Parade.
Don't tell me not to think, just sit in water. Life's hanging in the sun's a ball of butter. So bring around a crown to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I simply want to. If someone takes a spin at me and not to you, who told you you're around to rain on my parade? A march I bend down, I'll be fine around the place. And in my the spectacle of the nose of life, perfection, the signor, the shining apple of his eye. I got a trifle star, I got a trifle soul, because I want to take a right sir. Oh, life is juicy, juicy, and you see, I gotta have my fix, sir. Get you ready for me, love, cause I'm a girl. I simply gotta launch my heart to brother. Don't ring around a cloud.
What a beautiful execution of a song we all know and love. Great job to her.
Wow.
Now, while the judges deliberate, we're going to have a short break. Join me in thanking the wonderful sound crew and tech crew from tonight who've done an amazing job. Do I have all the performers on stage?
Okay, is everybody ready for the announcements? First of all, could we have a big hand for our MC who did such a wonderful likeness? Thank you, Ryan. And then are some people trying to get pictures? We need them to scrunch together. Are they good? Okay. And then I'm going to ask Joe Drago to come to the stage. Oh, and April Monte wants to say something.
I'm sorry, just really quick before he makes the announcement, I just want to say something. I'm a professional singer. I get paid to sing. And I've sung in more competitions than you can shake a stick at, and I have never gotten anything. That's not true. Sometimes I've gotten certain things in competitions, but most of the competitions I've ever sung in, I haven't gotten anything. And I get paid to sing. And by the way, you guys are all like disgustingly young. And so, because you don't place tonight does not mean that you don't have a lot of potential and an amazing voice. Because I heard some like really amazing things, and I don't just say things just to blow smoke. So, I just don't want anybody to feel bad if they didn't place. And we did have some disagreements. So, just sort of throwing that out there.
Yeah, I think Joe actually has a bloody nose. So what will happen is Joe Drago will come up here, he will make the announcements, and then I will give the awards to who they go to, and you're going to start with 5th place.
Thank you again, you guys. I've been doing this many years, and all I see every year is that the returning people just keep getting better and better, and those of you that we haven't seen before, we're just blown away by the amount of talent. I'd also like to take just 1 second to thank a few other people in the room, and that is all of your parents here who have sacrificed, taken you guys to places, and sat in really fast chairs all night for you guys, and whether you think it or not, when you were standing up here on the stage, I can guarantee you as a parent, they were standing right next to you even when they were there. All right, so if you can do one thing for at least all of us is, after tonight, when we withdraw, go give them a big hug and kiss, because they deserve it. That's the least. Okay. We're starting with number 5. As we said, this was tough. I mean, we went around and around and around because we had a number of ties. So it was really tough on us. Number 5, Jenna Clayton. Number 4, 4th place. Very powerful. Definitely, you guys made it hard on us again, but she made it hard on us. I'll give you a hint. Allie Vallis. Third, I'm just going to go ahead and spit it out here. You nailed it, Denise Gonzales. Okay, number 2, 2nd place. The power, the intensity, and the emotion blew us all away. Indemir Gill. Okay, number 1, 1st place. This one we really didn't have any debate on, but it's, once again, it blew us away from front to back. Perfect package. Please put your hands together. Betty Jean Hannah. All of you are awesome. Everyone, please give all of us a big hand.
And before we go tonight, we need to say a great big thank you to Steve Hayes and It's a New Day crew for putting this together.